guys, so if you want to see how I make my mayo and egg protein treatment, keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna do a old-fashioned regular protein treatment. So I have my egg, mayo, and I'm gonna add my Fab Beauty Growth Oil to the mixture to help with sealing in and really nurturing my scalp. So we're just gonna add some mayo. I have a lot of hair, so I'm gonna need a good bit of mayo because I want to leave it in my hair for at least, you know, I would say about 2 hours. I want to leave it in for, because I really don't like the mayo egg scent. Hopefully the oil will help with the scent, so that's why I don't keep it in like half a day or something. So we're just going to take the mayo and the egg and mix it together. This is a old protein treatment regimen that works well. I know it sounds very weird putting mayo and egg in your hair, but trust you me, I hate it, but the hair loves it. So I haven't done it in a while, so I really wanted to implement it in my hair regimen back again to really help, because I've been neglecting my hair for a little bit. So I really want to, you know, give my hair a good protein boost. Even though I'm using my other Fab Beauty protein with henna, it's still good to always go back to your old natural stuff and just switch it up, because sometimes your hair get a little used. So like I said, I'm going to add the growth oil to it. My hand a little heavy, so I'm going to try my best to not add too much. So I'm going to probably do like about three spoons full. And this is it. Just mix it good. And after you do a fresh wash or a co-wash, which is washing your hair with conditioner, which I'll be doing a co-wash, because I don't need to shampoo my hair, because I haven't had any oil or any gel or anything to my hair for buildup. So I'm just going to do a co-wash, and then I'm going to add this in. And if you don't like the mayo and egg scent, you could also add some essential oils. I think I'm going to add some tea tree. I'm going to add some tea tree oil just to help to really stimulate the scalp too with this. And you just apply this to your hair, put on a shower cap, tie your hair down, and leave it on for at least an hour, at least 45 minutes, and rinse it out. After you rinse it out, do another co-wash or a shampoo to really help get the scent out, and you are good to go. Okay, so now you see how I mix the ingredients together. I already applied the mayo and egg to the back of my hair, and I'm going to apply it to all 4 sections. I already washed and conditioned my hair and cleared it out in the shower. So now I am just applying the mixture directly to my hair, and I just rub it through. And after I rub it through, I twist it to keep it in. So I just do this for all of it. I just add a generous amount to it, making sure it's go through the hair. You want to make sure it go through all the strands, and it really gets to the scalp, because if it doesn't, it really kind of defeats the purpose of doing this yucky treatment. So generously amount. Then I twist it. Just put them in big twists just so it could stay, so it don't tangle up, and I don't want it to touch my face. So yeah. And then I just get one of my clips, and then I just kind of clip these 2 sides out of the way, and I apply the mayo and egg treatment to it. I did add some tea tree oil and rosemary essential oil to the mix, you know, to really help to stimulate the scalp. And I just so love the scent of tea tree for some reason. And I have a towel down on the ground because it does get a little messy, you know, putting this liquid from your hand straight into your hair. You know, you could do it over the face basin. So to eliminate it over the tub, whatever is convenient to you, for you. But for recording purposes, I am doing it like this. So like I say, I just put a generous amount and rub it through. Make sure it's penetrating all parts of the hair from root to ends, and then I just twist it back. Just twist it in a big twist. And normally what I'm trying to do each week now is when I do my treatment, I want to do treatment every week. And I try to clip my ends if, you know, my ends feel a little brittle. I just clipped it last week, so I'm not sure. I don't think I want to clip it this week. I think I'm just going to add some extra oils to the end after I finish, you know, with this, just to help it out. So, you know, I'll see how I'm moisturizing it into the ends to make sure it really gets on the tips of my hair, because the tips of my hair are, to me, I feel is a little damaged, feeling a little brittle, may need a little extra tender loving care. So this is why I'm doing this to my hair. Sometimes good old-fashioned Mayo and oil treatment does the trick. This is something that I used to do, and I said, you know what, why not? Even though I use my henna and hibiscus treatment, sometimes your hair gets a little used to some of the treatments you use, and sometimes you gotta just switch it up a little bit. And Mayo and egg is very good. It's a great protein treatment. You know, most people have this in our fridge, so you know, it isn't like you have to go out and buy anything. And then you could just add whatever is your favorite growth oils, or if you mix your own oils, just put your favorite oils in it to help with your treatment, and just leave it in. Leave it in for like about at least 2 hours. Leave it in for, I'm going to try to leave it in for as long as I could, but I really don't like the Mayo and egg scent, so I'm going to try to leave it in for at least 2 hours, tie it down. Maybe before washing it out, add a little heat to it with the blow dryer. Not directly on the hair, but the blow dryer blowing on the shower cap. And I'm just gonna, you know, pack it up a little bit. Let me put these two down and just make sure I get it all up. Because if I gotta do this yucky treatment, I need to make sure I get all of the good stuff out of this. So I want to pack that up. Make sure I get all of that in there so that I could get a good treatment. As you can see, it's all through the hair. And I think that if you don't like the scent, make sure put an essential oil in it, because the tea tree is like really helping. I don't really smell the Mayo scent as much, so that may help me to really keep this in longer than I want to. So let me just make sure I got good bit on my ends, because I want to make sure my ends are saturated, because I want, when I wash my hair is just so soft. So I just twist those two together and put my clips back on it so it can stay up. And I'll do the same thing with this side. Twist it together and then just wind it up and add my clips. Like I say, this is a little messy, so I just clean up my edges, you know. So that is pretty much it. So if you have a shower cap or an old plastic bag, you know, you just take the plastic bag, and what I like to do is just tie it, let all of the air out, squeeze it tight. Hold on. And I take two ends and tie a knot. Let me see if I can get this knot to work for me today. Oh, hold on. What I normally do is I normally tear it in the middle a bit. Hold on. Yeah. I normally split it. Yeah. So that could help me with tying the two ends. Yeah. So I just, what's going on today? Okay. Yeah. So that, and just tie it. Make sure everything is tucked under good. Just do a little double tie again. Then take all of this out of my way and tuck it in. Make sure everything is under. Yep. Clean up again. And this is pretty much it. So I'll leave this on for like about 2 hours. I'm going to try to push as long as I could. And then I'm going to wash it out and just show you the wash results of it. This week I'm not going to be doing any fancy style because I don't really have any events or anything that I have to go to. So I'm just going to leave them in some big twists because I want to try to start the rice water challenge. I want to do it for a week and see if I see any growth. So we're going to try that and see. You know, everybody's raving about the rice water challenge. I tried it before. I didn't like it, but I'm going to try it again and really test it and see if I get any results. So just keep watching to the end. Okay guys, so I left in the Mayo and egg protein treatment in my hair for about 2 hours. It was very interesting. I don't like the dripping and stuff, so I had to keep a towel around me the whole time. But I just washed it out, and I also, my stuff is in my hair. I also just did a light rinse with, the VO5 conditioner, the coconut one. So this is basically how my hair is after just washing it. It feels very soft. The ends don't feel as brittle as it did before. So I must say that it was a good treatment. It was worth it. My scalp, I have like a little, make sure wash your hair out good, because like these little spots of egg, I'm gonna probably rewash it. But okay, so this is the results of it. I would recommend doing a protein treatment, add it into your regimen with your other treatments that you do. You know, you don't have to only stick to one type of treatment. I truly believe that sometimes if you use certain products all the time, that your hair kind of get used to it and it doesn't have the effect that it normally would, like when you first were using it. So now I'll just finish my hair off with my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner Mist, which I love. It works for my hair. My hair is low porosity, so I use more light leave-in conditioners, and then I'm able to use my moisturizer that I make myself. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you the end result of my styling of my mayo and egg protein treatment. And basically, remember, I twisted it up into 6 big twists, went to bed, and I just untwisted it. I just want to show you how, because remember, I want to do the rice challenge later this week. So basically, I just unraveled the twist, and you see it's still really moist. Some of my hair is still even a little damp, but just put on a cute headband and I am on my way. So basically, I'm going to maintain this every night. I'm going to retwist like these two sections. I'm going to clear, spray the rice water on, and just retwist it and make sure spray get my scalp area and everything. And that is what I'm going to do for the rest of this week. I'm going to make sure I document it so I can see if I got any results. If I got results, then definitely I'll be doing it again. So we will see what the whole hype is about. But like I say, make sure comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure turn on the notification bell so that you can know when I upload new videos. I'm going to try my best to upload videos at least once a week for you guys. And thank you guys, and keep watching, and talk to you guys later. Bye.